Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is LOUISIHUEFO. I'm a YouTuber based in Enugu, Nigeria. I am a professional hairstylist, so if this is the first time here on my channel, please don't make it your last. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for all the love and the support. I really appreciate. So in today's video, from the title, it's an unboxing video, but I'm so excited to be sharing this with you guys. So I got a product from Hair by Any, so you can look them up on Instagram, hair by _ Any. So they deal on hair products for frontals and for styling. So I'm so excited. That's why I came here to do this unboxing, because I want us to do this together. So guys, here is the box. It's actually a huge box. It's still sealed, so sorry about all the noise. So we're going to be unboxing this together. So I already have my scissors here, so I'm just going to tear it out and then show you guys what I have inside. So guys, I must comment, the packaging is very lovely. I love how they wrapped the whole thing and put a bow here. So this is actually a clean packaging and I am astonished, that's the word. So I'm just going to open it and show you guys. Oh my god guys, there are lots of products here. So I'm going to be showing you all of these products and telling you what I'll be using them for. So guys, here is the heat protectant spray. It's designed specially for use before heated appliances, that's for styling. So you guys know me too well here on this channel and also on Instagram. Like any hairstyle I'm doing that requires the use of heat, I like to go in with the heat protect. So Hair by Any making the heat protect is I think this is a thumbs up for her. They actually did well making the heat protect spray. So the next one here is the styling foam. So this is a hair curl mousse. This is what it looks like. So you can use this to bring down the puffiness of a frontal, and you can also use this to define curls. So if you watch my videos too well, you see me using the styling mousse to bring down a bulky frontal or a closure. So I use the styling mousse a lot. So I'm so happy she added this to the package. So you guys should try this out. So the next one here is the Skin Protect. So you guys know me too well here on this channel that I don't go in with my adhesive without going in with the Skin Protect. So I like to protect my clients first before protecting their weaves, or because you can't go in with the glue directly on the client's skin. If you keep doing that, you might end up damaging the client's skin, and you might not have the skin to put the frontal units the next time you're going to do any installation. So the Skin Protect is a thing for me. I like to use it first before going in with my unit. So the next one I have here is the Hair by Any glue. So she sent me two types of glue. So she sent the clear one, which is a transparent one, and she also sent this one. So this one, you apply it and allow it clear for a while, and this one you just apply it and then go, because I've used a lot of clear transparent glues from other brands, and I really know how to work with them. So most times I apply this and just do cold air with my blow dryer and then go in with my unit. So all these glues, they are waterproof, humidity resistance. Like we all know in Nigeria is really hot and it's really humid here because of the weather. So paying so much to do your frontal and getting it out maybe just that same day or the next day is not really a good story to tell. So I would recommend you guys go for the extreme hold waterproof adhesive, just to keep your your frontals in place and also slay. So the next one I have here is the wax. We all know the wax stick. I also use this to like bring down the puffiness before I go in with my hot comb. So I love to use the wax. Just a small quantity of this wax will go a long way. So I just apply it on the closure or the frontal and just get my hot comb and then press it down, and the finishing is always a thing for me. Like, I love the finishing after using the wax. I'm a lover of hair products. I love to use luxury products, and Hair by Any outdid themselves to, you know, make all of those products. These are my, you know, everyday go-to products when I'm doing an installation on the client. So seeing everything just in one box, oh my god guys, I'm really amazed. So I also have here the Hair by Any glue liquid gel. So this is for all my glueless frontal lovers. If you're this kind of person that, you know, want to just have your hair for that day and go about with your everyday slay, so this is it for you. And guys, I would recommend this for everyone, like I said, who like to wear their frontals just for one day, because we all have individual differences. So some people like to wear their frontals for 1 week, while some wear that just for one day because of the event or the kind of events they are going for. So I would recommend the liquid gel glue for you. So just apply this, blow it out, and make it sticky, and get your unit and place it on it and tie down, and voila, you're good to go. I have here is the Hair by Any lace glue remover. So guys, the era of yanking out your frontals, I think we've bypassed that stage. So you need to use a glue remover just to keep your skin in place. And your hairline, guys, your hairlines are very, very important, because without those hairlines you can't do your baby hairs, and you can't, you know, slay a flawless ponytail. So I advise you always use the lace glue remover just to, you know, keep your hairlines and your skin away from the whole damage. And also the Hair by Any making the the lace glue removal is another thumbs up to them, because they really did an amazing job. And the next one I have here is the pump. This one is for the skin protect. Like, you all know me, like anything I do, I like to, you know, apply safety precautionary measures. I like to add precautionary measures when I'm doing anything. So I don't go with my cotton wool and just, you know, place it directly on the container. I like to use the pump rather, and you know, pump it onto my cotton wool, and then go in on the person's skin. So that's how I work with it. Here in the box they wrote, "Thank you for your support, love." I don't know if you guys can see this clearly. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So you guys go look them up on Instagram, try and place your order. Their Instagram is hairby_any. So I'll be leaving it in the description below, so you guys can go check them out. And for all of you looking for a discount code, you can just tell them you're from Louis or the signature. I guess you get a discount. So that's it for today's video. I really don't want to take so much of your time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was really fun to watch. Please, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to do that before you leave, and also don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, because you know sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you all will be notified whenever I post a video. So is there anything you want to see here on this channel? Please don't forget to leave it in the comment below, and I will come through for you guys. And also, if you like this review and you want us to review a product, or you want me rather to review a product for you here on this channel, I'm going to leave my mail in the description. So just send me that message and I'll also come through for you. So I love you all and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.